So, it has been a long time since the last time I picked up something sneaker or streetwear related. Last thing I picked up, I think, was the Supreme North Face RTG backpack, and that released back in like mid-March. So it's been almost a month and a half since I picked up anything, which is the longest I've gone without picking something up in probably a year or two. It's been forever. Like, I can't remember the last time I didn't pick something up for this long. But today we're gonna change that, as I have 3 new sneaker pickups to show you guys, and I'm really excited to show you all of these. So make sure you watch the whole video so you can see everything I picked up. The bottom one is a personal shoe, and this was one that I've been waiting all year to pick up, so I'm really excited I got this. And then these top 2 shoes are like a little investment, so to say. So just make sure you watch the rest of the video so you can see what these are. And before I show you any of the shoes I picked up today, make sure you leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the summer, so help me accomplish that goal by subscribing to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And now let's get right into it. So like I said, I'm gonna start off by showing you the shoe that will be a personal for me. I won't be selling these. Here's the box these comes in. You can probably already tell what these are just by the box alone. It's pretty obvious. And the first shoe I picked up was the Jordan 6 in the DMP colorway. This is a shoe I've been wanting to get all year. This was one of the main shoes I wanted to get for 2020, and they finally released. These were originally supposed to release in January, I think, but they just kept getting pushed back. They got moved back, I think, like 3 or 4 times. It was kind of weird, but finally they dropped, and this was a really easy cop for my size. It wasn't really too hard, and I didn't really care. This was a shoe I was gonna keep no matter what, but this shoe is just insane. This was one of my favorite Jordan 6 colorways, and last year I was looking to buy the original pair of these in the pack. These originally came in as a Jordan 6 with the Jordan 11 pack. It was the DMP pack, if you didn't know that, and that was probably the best pack I've ever seen from Jordan Brand, and that was something I really wanted in my collection. But I just really only wanted the 6s because I'm not really the biggest fan of 11s. But once I figured out these were gonna re-retro, I just decided to wait for the brand new pair. On the old pair, the back tabs are really easy to crack, and that's like a problem with a lot of them. And it was really hard to find a used pair in my size that was in like really good condition and also didn't have cracked tabs. So I was like, might as well just wait for the new pair to drop. But they finally did, and I'm so glad I waited because this shoe's insane in person. Definitely one of my favorite Jordan 6s. I'll try to show you a close-up, and then I'll do some B-roll shots of these so you can see these close up. It's a really nice shoe. Quality on these is pretty similar to the Black Infrareds that released last year, and that is my favorite Jordan 6 colorway, so I did pick those up last year. And if you watched my top 5 shoes in my sneaker collection, you would have saw those. But this shoe is just so sick. I don't know if I'll wear these yet because I've never worn a Jordan Retro before, even though I own quite a few of them. But this is just a really sick shoe. I'm really excited to have this in my collection, and it's one of my favorite Jordan 6 colorways. I know I've already said that. And then I just found out that the Carmine 6s are, I think, retroing in 2021. So that'll definitely be another shoe I'll have to pick up. That's probably my top 3 favorite Jordan 6 colorways. The Black Infrareds, the DMPs, and the Carmines. Those are all my favorite Jordan 6 colorways. So if those re-release next year, that'll be an insta-cop for me, and I'll have all 3 of my favorite Jordan 6 colorways. So that'll be really nice once they release. But that is it for my personal pickups. Now I'm gonna show you the 2 shoes that I have as sort of like a mini investment. So here are the other 2 shoes that I recently picked up. They're both Jordan 1s, both the same exact shoe. The only difference is the size. One of them is a size 7 and the other one's a 7.5. So now I'm gonna show you each of them and why I bought them. So here are the other 2 shoes that I picked up, and it's the recently released Jordan 1s in the Court Purple colorway. This is a really nice shoe. I'm actually really shocked on how nice this is in person. I picked these up like a week after they dropped for resale price. Unfortunately, I was not able to pick these up for retail just because I slept through my alarm on drop day. But I still really wanted a pair just because I know these will go up in the future. So I ended up paying resale on both of these on eBay just like a couple days after the drop. And so far, it's actually worked out pretty well. Both of these pairs have gone up since I originally bought them, and I'm pretty much at like a break-even standpoint if I sold these on GOAT or StockX just because of the fees. I think that's really good. It's only been like a week since I bought these, and I'm already at break-even, so pretty much everything after that is profit. So I definitely think these are a great hold, especially in these little sizes. Usually those go up a lot, which I didn't really know that before, but I'm just now getting into the Jordan 1 resale. But overall, this is a really nice shoe. I think it's really cool. Nothing I would wear personally, just because I'm not the biggest fan of Jordan 1s. This is just not my style, but these are still a really good shoe. Quality feels pretty good. If you wear a smaller size, I would probably buy these now while they're still decently cheap. I just think these will go up in value over time. Hopefully they'll hit the 400 range. That'll be beneficial to me, but if you want these for personal, definitely buy them while the prices are still low. And that is it for this shoe. Now on to the outro of the video. So that wraps up all the shoes I recently picked up. Comment down below what your favorite pairs and if you picked one of these up yourselves. It's kind of nice after not picking up anything for a month and a half to get in new shoes. Hopefully that doesn't happen again and I'm able to pick up stuff regularly like I used to be able to, but we'll just have to wait and see. So that wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and also if you have not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.